Hello friends, Mike Adams here with First Person Audio. Hey, Audacity has issued a new release of Audacity. Version 3.0.4 is now out and ready for public consumption. This is really a hot fix release. In other words, there's two problems that it really addressed in this fix, and so there's nothing major going on with it. But I did want to mention it to you, bring it to your attention, and let you know that it's out there. So let's take just a moment to look at version 3.0.4 and look at what the changes are. If you look at my screen here, I have the Audacity team website opened up, and it always tells us the latest version, which is version 3.0.4 in this case. If I click on my other tab up here and I look at the release notes for version 3.0.4, and this is on the wiki site of audacityteam.org, you can see that it tells us that 3.0.4 replaces all previous versions, which is normal with a new release, and that this is a hot fix release that fixes a bug with envelope points, which could multiply uncontrollably and cause Audacity to crash. Two things in particular that it notes. Envelope points are multiplied when using filter curve EQ or graphic EQ, and filter curve EQ will crash if there's an envelope point outside of the selection. So anytime that you use filter curve EQ or graphic EQ in version 3.0.3, if you've got control points on your waveform, those are going to multiply. They're going to be like little rabbits, and they're going to start to multiply. And in addition to that, if you've got envelope points outside of the filter curve selection that you've got, let's say you haven't selected the entire track, but you've selected a portion of the track to put a filter curve on, any envelope points outside of that will cause the filter curve to crash. So version 3.0.4 came to the rescue. And remember in version 3.0.3, they said there's an auto updater that will go out and it will check for updates to Audacity. Well, that works. Take a look at this screenshot. When I opened version 3.0.3, this is what came up, and it's telling me that there's a version 3.0.4 available, and I can click on that link that's in that notice and go read the release notes. So that's good. That's a good heads up. It tells you that there's something new out there that you need to pay attention to and go look at. So once I opened up version 3.0.4, this is what it looked like. I recorded a quick thing in there so that you could see a track in it. There's nothing different in the track header yet. I think that's coming with the stackable, non-destructive plugins that are coming. I think we're going to see some differences in that header, according to that short video that Audacity released a couple of weeks ago that I mentioned in a previous video of mine. But this is what you get. There's really no change. In fact, it says that in the release notes that other than those two fixes, there's no difference between version 3.0.3 and version 3.0.4. But 3.0.4 might be worth getting if you use control points in your waveforms a lot. So that's really all I have for you in this short video. Just a quick update to let you know that Audacity version 3.0.4 is released into production. I hope you have a great day and stay safe.